the cold weather warning has been issued at 4:20 p.m. this afternoon. The cold air mass associated with an intense cold surge now reaching inland Guangdong is spreading southward gradually and expected to reach the coast of Guangdong tomorrow. So we will expect that the winds will strengthen from the north and the temperature will fall appreciably. For the weather for the next few days, it will be rainy on Friday, that means on tomorrow, and winds will be rather strong, and it will become very cold during the weekend and early next week. Regarding the temperature, due to the cloudy to overcast weather condition, as well as the continuous southward evacuation of the cold air mass from the north, the temperature locally will start to fall during the day tomorrow, throughout the day on Saturday, Sunday, and reaching the lowest on the morning of next Monday. And according to our temperature forecast at this moment, the minimum temperature on Sunday and Monday will reach about 6 degrees in the urban areas and a few degrees lower in the New Territories and on the high ground. And there will be a chance of ice and frost at these areas. Because under the influence of the cold weather, I would like to advise the public that the cold weather will continue until mid next week, and you should keep yourself warm and avoid any cold weather related health effect during the cold weather period. And for those who are planning to have any outdoor activities at exposed areas, high ground or offshore, you have to be aware of and take precaution measures against the windy condition and the wind chill effect. And for those who know some elderly persons or persons with chronic medical conditions, please give them a call or visit them occasionally to check if they require any assistance. Thank you.